Welcome to Storytime with Teacher Shine ESL. Let's enjoy a short story and learn English together. Listen carefully, try to read along, and answer the questions at the end. The power of smile. Anna is new in town. She doesn't know anyone and feels shy. One day, she smiles at her neighbor. The neighbor smiles back and says, "Hello." From that moment, Anna feels better. She learns that a simple smile can start a friendship. Now let's see if you remember the story. Can you answer these questions? Let's find out. Here are the answers. Great job for today! Keep learning and keep smiling!